Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning about types of vector integrals. As we see like vector calculus, this whole chapter is based on how to find the differentiation and integration of vector field. So here we are learning about what are those types of integration which we will be doing on the vector fields. So those are the different types which we have listed here. So there are different types like a line integral. The first one is line integral, next is surface integral and the third one is volume integral. जब भी हम लाइन इंटीग्रल पढ़ेंगे तब हम ये देखेंगे कि लाइन इंटीग्रल व्हाट इज़ इट, लाइन इंटीग्रल वेक्टर फंक्शन का हम देखेंगे, लाइन इंटीग्रल स्केलर फंक्शन का भी होता है, बट हियर इन योर सिलेबस हमें लाइन इंटीग्रल ऑफ वेक्टर फंक्शन देखना है, उसका एप्लीकेशन क्या है और इरोटेशनल फील्ड क्या है. So this is what we will be learning about. In surface integral we will be learning about definition and application, and these two we will be learning in detail in your chapter. So first of all we will start with a line integral. तो जब भी हम line integral निकालते हैं किसी भी function का, so what we will do it, line integral of vector point function, then we integrate it this given function along one curve. So for example this is the given function f of x y z. अगर हमें उसका line integral निकालना है, then we will be finding it's a integration along a curve, so from point A to B. So this is and if it is moving around, if it is a closed path, for example let's say this is a triangle, okay, so this is the, and then object is moving around one point to other point around this path, around this closed curve like this way. Then what we will do it, we will be finding line integral for each of this side, and then finally we will be adding them all together. So that's what we will be doing, that's nothing but the line integral. So while moving the object from A to B, from one point to other point, we will be finding the integration and we will be adding it. So how we will do it, that's this formula, how we represent it mathematically is f vector into dr vector. अगर आपको याद है what is r was, we used r vector as a position vector और उसकी वैल्यू भी हमने निकाली थी. यहाँ पे भी मैंने I have repeated this same thing here, that's a position vector which is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, और उसको हमें dr निकालना है. dr means we are simply differentiating it, so dxi, तो उसको differentiate करने के बाद जो आएगा dxi plus dyj plus dz k cap. So this is nothing but the value of dr. वो हमने very first of this chapter हमने देखा था position vector, उसी को यहाँ पे use किया हुआ है to get the value of dr. So this is उसका हम product use करेंगे, and that we will be integrating along the covered path to get the line integral of given vector function or vector point function. So let's see the application of कहाँ पे हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. So for example physics में आपने कई जगहों पे देखा होगा, when we are moving one when object is moving from point A to point B, I have simply I have put this in the form of diagram so that it will be easy for you to visualize. So if any object is moving from point A to B and there is a force applied on it in the vector field, then the work is getting done. When the object is moving from one point to other point, how much work is getting done in that vector field, that is how we can find it by using the line integral. So that is one of its application. Similarly the mass of wire, or if you want to find the length of the wire to connect between two stations like which are 5 miles away from each other, so that time also we use a line integral. So here also as I said, if you want to find the work which is getting done from moving particle from A point to B point, so that's the reason we have put it here A to B, and whatever the work is getting done that we can find by using f vector into dr vector. and taking integral from a to b. So this is application of line integral. Now next term which we will come across here, it's a ir-rotational vector. So whenever if we take line integral over the curve and if its value returns 0, that time we say that कि ये irrotational vector है, मतलब it's not rotating basically. So this is the simple term. Now let's start with a question on line integral. Find y square dx plus x square dy along the curve x plus y is equal to 1 from the point 0 1 to 1 0. So starting point end point हमें दिया जा चुका है, कर्व का जो इक्वेशन है जो वो भी दिया है x plus y is equal to 1 and we have to find the line integral. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, इसका f into dr which is given over here x square y square dx plus x square dy, उसको हम equation 1 we will call it. Now given equation of curve which is x plus y is equal to 1, that we will be using it, and the point starting point end point, those are also given over here. So now first of all this equation 1 which we will have used it, वहाँ पे हम from by using the equation of curve we will be substituting y and dy. Basically what we are doing, this given thing is there, given equation we will be converting as in terms of x, everything we will be converting in terms of x, y वहाँ पे नहीं रहेगा. So we by using the given equation of curve, that's what we are doing. So जहाँ पे भी y था वहाँ पे मैंने 1 minus x रखा है और dy की जगह मैंने रखा है -1. So after doing that, and if you have observed, we have put the values of पूरा equation हमने x के terms में convert किया है. So obviously we will be putting the limit of x. So x की वैल्यू अगर आप देखते हैं, अगर दोनों पॉइंट में पहले 0 था और बाद में ये 1 हो चुका है, x कोऑर्डिनेट इज चेंजिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 1, तो लिमिट भी हमें x की ही अप्लाई करनी होगी फ्रॉम 0 to 1. So same if would have changed y, if would have make the equation in terms of y, so you will be applying the limit of y. यहाँ पे मैंने x का किया है तो मैं x की लिमिट ही वहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी. So now simply यहाँ पे सिर्फ हम this is dx is common, basically we can take out common dx and whatever the terms we will put it in one, एक साथ हम उसको लिख देंगे. Then you see if you can cancel anything out. So plus x square minus x square we can cancel. So 1 minus 2x आ चुका है. Then simply we will integrate it. x का 1 का integration x and minus 2x का integration minus 2x square by 2. Or upper limit lower limit we will substitute here. So after this I will be getting the value as 0. So this is how we will be. So now in this case we are getting it 0. So this is how we will find the line integral of any given function and if points are being provided to you. It's a quite simple concept is there. The equation will be equation of curve will be always given to you. Starting point, end point और जो भी इस point along जो भी होंगे वो आपको दिए जाएंगे जो आपको use करने to find the integration. So this is quite simple. And it is important to understand because when we will be learning about surface integral also, these terms we will be using, and again we will be learning about Stokes theorem, Green's theorem. That time we will be using this concept, so it should be clear. Thank you.